In this video, we'll demonstrate watermark fields. Watermark fields are useful when you don't have a lot of real estate, and it allows you to replace the field label with text that displays inside the control when the control has no value. So let's go back and prepare this form for watermark fields. So we'll go back to design mode. We'll go to properties here. We'll change this to be an add record only form. Then we'll go to update settings and we'll change the number of new rows to 1 new row. And now let's go ahead here on form properties and turn off row labels. So when we go ahead now and we preview, our form looks like this. So now let's go and define watermark fields for those fields over there. So we'll go now to the first name field, and we'll define a watermark that says enter first name, and let's just copy that to the clipboard, and then we'll go to last name and we'll change that to last name, enter company, and enter phone, and then we'll just save that away, and then we'll go to preview, and you can see now here's our watermark. And this will be very useful, for example, in an application built, say, for a cell phone where you have very little real estate on the screen. Now as soon as you give focus to the field, the watermark goes away, and if you start typing now, then the watermark is just disappears. But when I go back into the field and if I delete it, then you can see the watermark comes back. So watermarks basically are a great space saving tool, but you can also have a lot of control over the appearance of the watermark. So let's go back to design mode, and then let's go to, say, the phone number field there, and let's go to the style here and say color red. So you can type any CSS code there, or you can use the CSS builder. So let's go ahead now and do a preview, and you'll see now that the watermark for phone is red because that's the style that we chose. So watermarks are a great tool for saving space, but you can also use watermarks to provide help for filling in a field. Watermarks are available not just when you're using the form style, but also when you're using the tabular style. So you can see if I go back here and switch over to a tabular view and change this from being add records only, and then let's go here to update settings and change this back to, say, 3 rows, and then do a quick preview. You'll see there that here's our watermark on the new rows as well. So that's a quick discussion of the new watermark fields feature in the grid component.